Politics rules the roost in Meghalaya, and the results of the upcoming polls, if hung as predicted by political pundits, will not be anything new. However, what equations will work post-poll is something everyone is pondering about. In line with DD News, Shillong caught up with few of the politicians of the state, and while their opinions varies, they all acknowledge that any combination might just be possible.
If it is a fragmented mandate again, I do not wish to say that this party will not work with that party and that party will not work with that party. Because at the end of the day, governance continues and goes on in every state. I don't think there are many parties left in the state that will have any definite numbers that will propose not to work with X, Y, or Z party.
The problem will be the same history that happened in the 2018, where the largest number political party in MLA in terms of MLAs, they lost the government. But this smaller party, they led the government for 5 years. So it may be happen, but it's too early for me to work with any political person. It depends on the equation. We are open to every party. We can discuss, because I think you understand that in the coalition government, the smaller party is more powerful than the larger party.
It is music, song,